Поздравляю вас с праздником, с Днем Победы!
More than a year passed since the onset of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Countless people have been evacuated from their homes. Hundreds of casualties have been reported. Several sanctions are imposed against Russia by the West, and yet the country on Tuesday is celebrating. Yes, Russia is observing the anniversary of its victory over Nazi Germany in World War II with a parade at Red Square in Moscow on Tuesday. This is taking place amid tight security following a series of drone attacks, including on the Kremlin citadel itself, that Moscow has blamed on Ukraine. Victory Day is one of the most important public holidays in Russia when people commemorate the huge sacrifices made by the Soviet Union during what is called the Great Patriotic War of 1941 to 45, in which around 27 million citizens perished. The anniversary is quite emotionally charged as Russia mourns thousands of soldiers being killed in the nearly 15-month war in Ukraine, which shows no sign of ending. More than 20 cities in Russia have cancelled their May 9 observances because of concerns the events could be targets for Ukrainian attacks. Yet, it is still celebrating in the capital. Events are still going ahead in St. Petersburg. Russian President Vladimir Putin repeatedly compared the Ukraine war, which he casts as a battle against so-called Nazi-inspired nationalists, to the challenges the Soviet Union faced when Hitler invaded in 1941. Kyiv says this is absurd and accused Russia of behaving like Nazi Germany by waging an unprovoked war of aggression and seizing Ukrainian territories. Putin, his defense minister, and other senior officials are expected to review the Red Square parade, which usually includes tanks, intercontinental missile launchers, and marching troops. Putin will deliver a speech in Red Square, where he will be joined by leaders of several ex-Soviet republics. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky drew flak from Russia on Monday by moving the day that his country marks the Allied victory over Nazi Germany to May 8th, aligning it with Western nations in repudiation of its Soviet past. Russia's Foreign Ministry spokesperson, Maria Zakharova, branded Zelensky as a traitor, saying that he had betrayed the memory of Ukrainians who died fighting the Nazis.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.